Teddy bear who is Lubobo. The doll was first created in 2015 by Dutch artist of Hong Kong descent, Kazing Lung, as part of the series The Monsters, inspired by Scandinavian myths. It became a 3D collectible toy in 2019, popularized by the famous company Pop Mart. Glow showing Europe Africa from a toy to a global phenomenon. It became a fashion trend and social media sensation in 2024 after appearing with stars like Lisa from Blackpink and Rihanna, turning into a popular accessory that people see as a symbol of uniqueness. It appeared in luxury bags and became a trendy accessory sought after by fashion lovers and collectors. Money with Wings, the market and pricing. Random blind boxes are sold, where buyers do not know the design in advance. The official price ranges from $13 to $16, but it can sometimes reach $300 to $1,580 or more at auctions. In Arab markets, the official price is around 85 dirhams, while secondary market prices rise to 1,000 dirhams. Label design and features. Lubobo features a cute yet strange face, with big eyes, pointed ears, and small teeth, a design that blends innocence with mystery. It comes in various colors and outfits, sometimes in a stuffed anime style, appealing to different age groups. Direct hit. Why did it spread quickly? The blind box strategy creates an element of surprise and excitement. Its appearance with celebrities like Lisa, Rihanna, and rapper Sins. An attractive design that mixes strangeness with innocence, fitting the contemporary taste of collectors and teenagers. White heavy checkmark summary. Details. Invention. 2015 series The Monsters. Transformation. 3D doll from Pop Mart, 2019.
Fame.
Appeared with celebrities in 2024. Market. Official price, $13.16, hidden, $315.80. Appearance. Strange yet cute with distinctive eyes. Audience. Youth collectors, fashion enthusiasts.